So there's another one of those multiple argument trig questions. So I'm going to kind of cut to the chase here. I'm going to let u equal 3 theta over 2.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to solve this problem. So where does the secant equal negative 2? That would mean that the cosine would equal negative 1/2. So if I look at my unit circle, the cosine's negative 1/2 at here and at here. So 2 pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. So u equals 2 pi over 3 or 4 pi over 3. But remember, I can add 2 pi to those, right?
Yeah.
Or 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi, because that's one full revolution away from that. Or 4 pi over 3 plus 2 pi, because that's one full revolution from 4 pi over 3. Okay. So these things, let's clean this up. This is like 6 over 3, right? Yeah. 6 over 3. So this is like 8 pi over 3. And this is like 10 pi over 3. Okay, I'm just doing that to be safe. My gut feeling is I don't need this one, because this is like 1.5. 3 halves is 1.5. So I think I'm only going to have to use half of those extra revolution. Okay, so, but we're not done, remember, because I'm trying not to solve for u, I'm trying to solve for theta. So let's substitute theta in, ready? 3 theta over 2 equals 2 pi over 3, or 4 pi over 3, or 8 pi over 3, or 10 pi over 3. Make sense? So how do I solve for theta now? How do I get rid of 3 halves?
You multiply everything by 2, then divide it by 3.
Multiply by 2/3, multiply by 2/3, multiply by 2/3, multiply by 2/3. So theta equals 4 pi over 9, 8 pi over 9, 16 pi over 9, or 20 pi over 9. 20 pi over 9 is bigger than 2 pi. 16 pi over 9 isn't, so those are my 3 answers.